I'm Tony's mom, and I just wanted to add how hard this has been, on my child. He left a young man, 17, just turned 18, and came back. I didn't even know who he was, a completely different person. The penal system doesn't improve anyone's life, and it certainly hasn't improved his. And I want you to know, all you boys out there, you better be careful with young girls, or your family will wind up torn apart, and your poor child will never be the same. I'm sorry I don't have a lot to add. Tony was living with his father when all this took place. I just know that he's really a good person. He's kind. He's thoughtful. He's angry, which isn't a good thing, but it's what happened when he was incarcerated for something that he didn't do.